In this guide, we'll show you how to add and install extensions in Google Chrome. If you find this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. Extensions can greatly enhance your browsing experience, whether you already know which one you want or you're just exploring the options. Let's dive into how to add them. Start by opening Google Chrome on your device. Then, go to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. From the drop-down, hover over More Tools and select Extensions. Then click on Open Chrome Web Store. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, you can either browse the different categories or use the search bar at the top. For example, let's say I want to install a volume booster. You can find it, click on it, and then tap the Add to Chrome button on the right side. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your decision. Just click Add Extension. After that, you'll see a notification letting you know the extension has been successfully installed. To access your extensions, click the puzzle piece icon in the top right corner of Chrome. From here, you can click on the extension to start using it. You can also manage your extensions by selecting Manage Extensions from the drop-down menu. That's it. If you found this guide useful, make sure to hit the like button